Here we are in section C working on derivative rules. And you can see on problem number 11, we're just asked to find f prime of x. So this is just a straightforward skill problem where we need to use the product rule and chain rule within our problem. So just for being on the same page, let's call this quantity 2x plus 1 the first function. Let's call this quantity x squared minus 3 all raised to the fourth power our second function. And you remember that with the product rule, our derivative is going to be the first function times the derivative of the second function plus the second function times the derivative of the first function. So let's fill in the blanks. So the first function, 2x plus 1, times the derivative of the second function. Now the second function is a composite function. We're going to have to use the chain rule. The outside function is something to the fourth power. The derivative of something to the fourth power is 4 times something to the third power. The inside part of this hasn't changed, x squared minus 3. Chain rule says we need to now multiply by the derivative of the inside function. The derivative of x squared minus 3 is 2x. So we did the first function times the derivative of the second function. Now we need to do the second function, x squared minus 3 quantity raised to the fourth power, times the derivative of the first function. The derivative of the first function is 2. Now, if we've differentiated correctly, unfortunately, our answer doesn't match any of the options listed, so we need to do some rewriting. Let's see what we can do. We've got 4 times 2x. We can call this 8x times the quantity 2x plus 1 times the quantity x squared minus 3, quantity cubed, plus we can pull this constant out in front, 2 times the quantity x squared minus 3 to the fourth power. Now we need to look for common factors. We have even numbers, and so we can factor out a 2. And it also looks like we have 3 factors of the quantity x squared minus 3, and then 4 factors of the quantity x squared minus 3. So it looks like we can take out 3 of those, 3 factors of this x squared minus 3 quantity cubed. Now let's see what's left inside. 8x, when you divide by 2, leaves you with 4x times the quantity 2x plus 1. All of the x squared minus 3 factors have been factored out. The 2 has been factored out. And we're left with just 1 factor of x squared minus 3. Still doesn't match any of the answers listed, but we are getting closer. All right, let's simplify inside here. If we distribute 4x times 2x makes 8x squared. 4x times 1 is 4x. That's x squared minus 3. So I think we're getting closer. F prime of x is equal to 2 times the quantity x squared minus 3 times, let's see, 8x squared and x squared will make 9x squared plus 4x minus 3. And this is our final answer. This does match one of the options listed. Yeah, it looks like this matched option letter. Let's see, which one does that match? It's like option letter E. Now, hopefully this helped you review some of your rules. But the key with a multiple choice question is not only getting the correct answer, but then making sure that our answer matches one of the options listed. On a free response question, we might not have had to simplify this way. But for multiple choice problems, we have to make sure our answer matches one of the provided options. Hey guys, good luck on the rest of your problems.